Good cheery morning. We are unboxing my new rollerblades. Rollerblades. These are the, what are they? Rollerblade 80 ALU. Means for aluminum, I'm going to guess. So let's open the box. What do we have? Skates. What were you expecting? Guns and cocaine? We'll take a look at them now. All right. What do we got? Well, we got skates. We have skates with aluminum frames. My old one had plastic, and the plastic wore out. So the wheels became very wobbly. Reasonably heavy. What do we got over here? I'm going to guess another skate. I don't like this. Well, some people are going to like them. A brake. This won't slow me down the hills I go on. So that's got to go. What else? Some tools, an extra thing to take the brake off, and a little teeny manual telling you to wear your gear, as though any of their people wear gear. Rollerblade 80 ALU aluminum frame. Rollerblade, size 12 American. Made in Vietnam. Interesting. Well, ready for the skate park? Don't need that. Going to the skate park.